Welcome back to an episode of Mechanical Nightmare. This 2020 Peugeot came in to be checked for a low oil pressure light. It had almost 40,000 miles, and the owner said that it has always had regular oil changes. Unfortunately, in this situation, the previous shop may have been scamming the customer. Customer states they heard a noise and lost acceleration. The mechanic said that it sounded like a knife in a garbage disposal.
You have the piecemeal unveiling of multiple locations.
This Jeep Wrangler's oil pump drive assembly had quite the failure. This customer was complaining their car is all over the road.
Something's off. I can't put my finger to it.
Customer sent in this video stating there was a small pop and then the cab was filled with dust. At first, it seems like the passenger airbag had somehow gone off without breaking the dash. However, it turns out they had a fire extinguisher rolling around on the floor that had gone off.
Can you go put a little bit of gas on it, please?
Thanks for watching. You can submit your own videos using the link below. Also remember to like and subscribe.